Hello everyone, welcome back to another short unboxing and review Vivo X200 Ultra after 5 months. So first of all talk about the box content. Firstly we get our smartphone, then some paper and one soft case, then 90-watt fast adapter and USB Type-C cable. Design-wise, Vivo X200 Ultra look too much good, and the phone built with glass in the front, glass in the back with aluminium frame, and the smartphone is very heavy. The weight is 229 gram. Moving to the display, the phone comes with 6.82-inch 1 big color Super AMOLED panel with LTPO 120Hz refresh rate and the peak brightness is 4500 nits and the screen is 2K resolution. In the security wise, the phone comes with under-display ultrasonic in-display fingerprint scanner and face unlock. The smartphone comes with Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite SoC with Android 15 run with OS 5. And the smartphone comes with 16GB RAM and up to 1TB storage with UFS 4.1 storage. In the camera department, the phone comes with huge camera setup, 50 megapixel main sensor, 200 megapixel periscope telephoto lens, and 50 megapixel ultra-wide, 50 megapixel single selfie camera. The smartphone main camera you can record highest 8K 30fps video and you also record 4K 30 and 60fps video and 120fps slow-mo video and you also record 1080p 30, 60, 120fps 240fps slow-mo video. Now let's talk about the picture quality. The smartphone gives you excellent photo any situation. And very soon this smartphone dedicated camera review coming our channel, so make sure to subscribe and press the bell icon. The smartphone powered by 6000 mAh battery with 90-watt fast charging and 40-watt wireless charging supported. Overall, Vivo X200 Ultra is the best camera smartphone in 2025. So if you're looking for buying any smartphone for photography, I think Vivo X200 Ultra is the best choice for you still. So that's all about our short unboxing and review Vivo X200 Ultra. I hope you guys like and enjoy the video. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech content like this as always. And I will be see you in the next one. Take care. Allah Hafiz.